Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use text marketing on the Vagaro Pro app. To enable text marketing, we'll tap on More and then tap Settings. We'll scroll down and tap on Text Marketing Plans under Add-ons. This is where you can learn more about text marketing and activate the feature. These are the monthly plans that you can choose from. Tap on the plan you'd like to activate. Now, you'll select a phone number that text will be sent from. These numbers are verified, safe numbers that are recognized by phone carriers that won't be flagged as spam. You can refresh these numbers until you see something you like. When we're ready, we'll tap Next and we'll be all set up. Tapping Get Started will take us to the email and text marketing page. This is where marketing campaigns are created and managed. This page covers both email and text message marketing. To create a new campaign, tap on Create Campaign. At the top, we'll choose the delivery method. We can choose email, text, or both. We'll choose text. We'll create a campaign promoting an upcoming holiday discount. For this type of campaign, we'll choose Text Blast. This allows us to send campaigns or marketing messages as we desire. The other campaign types are all automated and include birthdays, lost customers, before visit, and after visit. For all these campaigns, there's a slider you can use to choose how soon before or after the event the text will be delivered. Now we'll tap Next. Here we can select the recipients. We can filter by gender, customers of specific employees, or by age range. We'll leave this set to all customers. Here we can see a breakdown of all who will receive the campaign. Next, we'll compose the text message. Here, we can type the contents of the text message. For this text, we'll include a promo code discount we've created that customers can use when they book a service online. We'll add the code by clicking Insert Link, then choose Promo Code and select the code you want to add. Next, we'll insert a link that takes a customer right to the booking page. At any point, this message can be saved as a draft by tapping Save in the upper right corner. Once the message is complete, we'll tap Next. Here, we can see a preview of what the text message will look like. You can send the text to yourself to preview it by tapping Send Text Preview and enter the phone numbers to receive previews. If the message looks good, tap Next. The text campaign can be sent now or deactivate this, and you'll be able to schedule a date and time for the campaign to go live. We'll choose next Tuesday at 10 a.m. Lastly, agree to the terms and conditions and then tap Announce. Since this campaign is a scheduled campaign, we can see it has successfully been added to the queue of campaigns to be sent out automatically at the requested date and time. Down here, we can view our email and text marketing plans and keep track of how many texts or emails have been sent out. Tap on Campaigns to see the details on the status of and how your campaigns are performing. This video was all about text marketing on Vagaro Pro. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and comment below. Also, subscribe to the channel to pick up more tips and tricks about the software. Check out the description to follow our social media channels or to start a free trial of Vagaro today.